Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for the application of Gmail and you will click. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search for Gmail and you will update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.